I'm back. I'm going to finish number 7 from partial fraction decomposition worksheet 1 using a system of equations. This is what my original videos taught you. So I'm going to set up an equation using everything that has an x squared term, but I'm not going to include the x squared. My second equation will have everything that has an x. Don't include the x. And my third equation will be everything else. Here's my system of equations. When you have a system of equations with 3 variables, we start by taking just 2 of these equations at a time. So I'm going to take my top one and my second one. I am going to keep the top one the same. Here you have so many options. This is just what I've chosen to do. And I'm going to divide my second equation by 2. And by doing that, as I add these equations, I can eliminate the a. Keep that equation off to the side. I'm going to need it in a minute. But I have to go back to the original and pick a different pair of equations. And also eliminate the a. So I'm going to start with equation 3. I have to actually use that one because I haven't used it yet. And it can't be simplified, or I would do that. And I have my choice. Which equation would I want to use? To me, it looks like it's easiest to take the top equation, and since I have to eliminate the a, I'm going to multiply by 15. 9 times 15 is 135. And when I add my equations together, I've eliminated the a. And this equation can be simplified. I'm going to divide it by 2 and pair it up with the equation I got earlier. Dividing by 2, 78 divided by 2, I don't trust myself. It's 39. Okay, we've done a lot of work. We still have another system of equations to solve, but it's smaller. I'm going to keep equation 2 and multiply this equation by 5. Eliminating the b. And when I divide by 24, I know that c is equal to 1. Okay. Go back to an equation that just has b and c. So either of these equations, and we will plug in c equals 1. I'm going to take the negative 3 equals negative b plus 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3, and if I subtract 3 from both sides, negative b equals negative 6, or b is 6. And then I'm going to take both of these values back to an equation, 1, 2, or 3. Plug these values in. Let's see, I don't know a. I'm going to pause because I have a pre-calculus student coming in. Can I pause? Oh, I can't. Maybe I can finish real quickly. Plus 6 plus 1, that's a plus 7, subtract 7, and now I know my a, b, and c values for the answer.